you all, welcome back to the new video. It's Namrata here. Hope you all are doing good. So in this video, as the title suggests, I'm going to share with you all the products which I received in this big black box, which is from none other than the Makeup Revolution. I'm really very happy, very grateful for this. They were generous enough to send me some of their newly launched, skincare products and lots of makeup in this box. So today I'm going to share with you all the products which I received, as well as a very fall spatial rusty warm tone look using some of the products. So if you're interested, please keep on watching, and before that, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. If you're not, please hit the subscribe button down below this screen, the video. So yeah, and if you liked watching the video, you know what you need to do, hit the like button at the end. So now, without doing any further ado, let's get started. So let's start off with the products I received first. So at first I'm starting with the skincare products, because these are the ones I'm really very excited for, because I never tried any of the skincare products from Revolution Skincare. So they sent me this 2% hyaluronic acid, which I haven't tried yet, but today I'm gonna use it as not primer but to prep my skin with. And next there is a moisturizing cream or something. It's called Sika cream. It's for calming and soothing your skin. So I'm really very excited to try this later, but not today. And there is two more things which I can see here. One is their 0.5% retinol with rosehip seed oil. It's their super strength formula. It conditions and cures fine line. It is a serum, so I'm not gonna use it. I may put it in a giveaway. And next there is 15% niacinamide super strength formula, again for blemish referring and moisturizing serum, and also I'm gonna put it in my upcoming giveaway, so keep an eye on this channel as well as on my Insta feed. And next there is another thing, that is their 12.5% vitamin C serum, and I'm gonna use it for sure. But before I start using this, I need to do a little bit of research online, because I heard vitamin C makes your skin very sensitive. So I don't want to harm my skin, but I'm definitely gonna try, and I know vitamin C would be so good for all the blemishes and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna share my views on this after maybe few weeks or a month. So keep an eye on my Instagram, especially. You'll definitely get to know how I feel about it. And now I think that was all about the skincare range. And now I got all the makeup products, and I'm already a fan of Makeup Revolution makeup, especially their stick foundation and the Conceal and Define foundation. I love both of them, and their highlighters. I don't have to say anything, just check my previous videos, you'll get to know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so they sent me this loose powder. This is their banana powder, which is one of their best selling products. So I'm gonna use it in today's look, so keep on watching. And there is a setting spray, and that too from my favorite range, that is Conceal and Define. And this infinite range is their long wear makeup products, and I got some of the new concealers which comes under this Conceal and Define range, but these are infinite, so it's referring to its long wear makeup application or something like that. So it's saying it's mattifying long wear makeup setting spray, makeup fixing spray, and 16-hour wear. That sounds so interesting, so impressive. And there is a mascara. I'm always open for new mascaras. I do use it every day, not this one, but mascara is in my daily makeup routine. So yeah, this is their the Mascara Revolution, and they sent me the black color hopefully, so definitely I'm going to use it today. And now here I can see a full size package of this Revolution Glow Molten Body Glow. It's a liquid face and body highlighter with coconut and pineapple fragrance. Wow, that sounds so summery, although the summer is almost gone. So yeah, definitely I'll use it later on, not today for sure. And here is a eyeliner. It's called Super Flick Eyeliner, and now I can see bunch of concealer, when they send me the email that they're going to send me a PR box, that day I felt so blessed. Like, that really made me so happy from the inside. But not for this pre-products, but you know, being recognized by this, you know, big brands Makeup Revolution, which has been my favorite ever since I started doing makeup, because these are very affordable yet very good quality. So I have been using their products for so long, and finally, you know, receiving an email from them that they noticed my work and they liked it, that's really something else. So yeah, that day I chose one shade for my concealer because I knew it, because I tried this concealer and defined concealers before. But see, they sent me 4 of this concealers, like the shade I asked for, that's in the full size packaging, and 3 other shades in a travel size packaging, which are very close to this shade. That's very thoughtful of them. I can't really thank them enough. And there is a lipstick. I never tried Makeup Revolution lipstick before, or any kind of lip colors, so they sent me a pure red lip color, and it can never go wrong, you know it already. And the last 2 things I'm very excited about, that is eyeshadow palette. If you have been following me since a long time, or maybe recently, then you might know how obsessed am I with, you know, eyeshadow palette. So they sent me 2 of their eyeshadow palettes. The one I'm holding here, that is called Revolution Reloaded Iconic 3.0, and the other one, I love the packaging of it. And it was a love at first sight, although I don't believe in that, but still it looks so dreamy. I'm gonna show you in details like how beautiful it is. So it's called Forever Flawless Allure. So yeah, that's all I received in this box. I know it was too much. So now, without doing any further delay, let's get started. Alrighty, I'm back with a little chiseled face, and now I'm gonna move forward with eye makeup. So I'm gonna prep my eyelids first. Today I decided to use this eyeshadow palette, and this one has got 18 beautiful mauvey nude colors, be it matte, metallics, and this marble pressed glitters. I'm very excited to use some of the shades from this palette to create a wearable fall look. So now let's start. Alright, now you can see I've got enough pigment on my eye, but to be honest, it took a lot of layers. I reapplied it and tried to build up the coverage. So if you want to get the best pigment, you have to spend little time on it, especially with the matte shadow. That's what I felt so far. So now let's pick a little lighter shade. So I'm thinking of using this shade called Risky on my crease. Alright, now the shadows are looking well blended, and you can see a little bit of fallouts here and even in the side. So yeah, you'll get very minimal fallouts, but the pigment is a very medium, very average standard, and say it has a full pigment. You have to layer it up to get, you know, decent pigment. And now I'm gonna use any of the metallic shades from this palette, but before that I need to clean up the edges. And now I'm gonna put a little bit of this concealer in the center of my eyelid. And this is where I'm gonna put the metallic shadow later on. And today I'm gonna do a very soft hollow eye, nothing too dramatic, and it'll be more like a monochromatic look, but a little shimmery shade in the middle. So I'm gonna pick this shade right here. It's called Lovesick. And I'm using a sponge tip applicator to apply this metallic shadow. I think this kind of applicator works best with any metallic shadow. And just pressing it in. Wow, I'm loving this pigment in this metallic shadow. I think it's way better than the matte shadows. And to blend the edges of this metallic shadow, I'm gonna pick this dark mauve shade which I used earlier on my lid. Alright, I'm liking this look so far. It's turning out so nice, exactly how I wanted this to be. And let me tell you, this is very easy to do. You can try this kind of look with any kind of palette or whatever palette you have. So I think I'm done with the upper lid, and now I'm gonna apply a little bit of this colors in my lower lash line. And in the middle, again, I'm going to put this metallic shade. And for the inner corners, I'm going to pick this marble pressed glitters. This is called Magnetic. Wow, these are so pigmented. In this palette, the metallics and the pressed glitters are the best. And with the help of a clean brush, I'm just gonna blend these edges. And to fill my waterlines, I'm gonna use this LA Girl Gel Glide Eyeliner. It's in the shade Very Black. So now my eyes are almost done, and the one thing I'm left with is mascara. So at first, I'm gonna start with curling my lashes. Alright, I just applied this mascara on my upper lashes, and I already can see a lot of volume. It coated my lashes very nicely, so I'm quite impressed. And now I'm gonna put a set of falsies off camera, and then I'll be back. Alright, I'm back with the lashes on, and I'm loving this eye makeup so much. It's so well blended, very soft yet warm, good for this, you know, fall season. And I think anyone can do it, even if you're just a beginner or even a pro. You can still do this kind of eye look. It looks so good on anyone. And now I'm left with highlighter, and on my lips I decided not to put that red lip color which I got in the box, so I filled my lips with a lip gloss. So today I used this Maybelline Lip Tear Gloss in the shade Ruby, and to line my lips I used my regular Kylie Cosmetics Ginger Lip Liner. I don't know when I'll get over it. And for highlighter, I have my favorite from Revolution, and this is the Strobe highlighter, and I'm using the shade Gold Addict. I think Revolution has the best pocket-friendly highlighters in the drugstore. So if you're just starting out or just a beginner, wanna play with different makeup, then definitely give it a try. Not only this, you can pick any highlighter from Makeup Revolution. They makes the best formula for highlighter. That's it. And at the end, to set everything, I'm gonna spray this makeup setting spray on the beauty blender, and I'm just gonna lightly press it all over my face. So this is it for today's video, you guys. I'm loving this look so much. Let me know your thoughts on it, like what do you think about this end look, and also let me know if you like watching this kind of PR package unboxing and, you know, creating looks with all the new products. Then I'd make this kind of video more often in future. And yeah, this is it. If you liked watching this video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. That would mean so much to me. And please be subscribed to this channel. I'll be back with the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.